Ever wondered why the rich seem to get richer while the rest of us are caught in the struggle? Well, today's video is not just about pointing out the problem. It's about providing solutions. So buckle up as we delve into 5 ways to get rich in 2024. But before we dive into today's content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel. 1. Take control of your destiny. Alright, let's get real here. You've probably heard it before, but it's worth saying again. Your success is in your hands. Sure, it's nice to have some support along the way, whether it's from the government, your family, or a mentor. But when it comes down to it, no one cares about your success as much as you do. It's easy to point fingers and blame external factors for where you are, but that won't change anything. It's time to shake off that victim mentality and seize control of your destiny. The power to change your life is right there in your hands, waiting for you to grab it and run with it. Now, this isn't about pulling yourself up by your bootstraps or some other cliche. It's about recognizing that you have the ability to shape your own future. So, instead of waiting around for someone else to come to your rescue, take the reins and steer your life in the direction you want it to go. It won't be easy, and there will be bumps along the way, but the journey to success starts with that first step of taking ownership of your destiny. 2. Avoid a low-paying job trap. Let's talk about the low-paying job trap. You know the one I'm talking about, where you're stuck in a job that barely covers your bills, let alone leaves you with anything extra to invest in your future. It's easy to fall into this trap, especially when you're just starting out and any paycheck feels like a win. But here's the thing, those low-paying gigs might provide instant gratification, but they won't set you up for long-term success. Instead of getting caught in that cycle, it's time to break free and aim for something better. Now, I'm not saying you should quit your job tomorrow without a plan. That would be reckless. But what I am saying is that you shouldn't settle for mediocrity when it comes to your income. Take the time to invest in yourself, whether it's through education, training, or acquiring new skills. Because the truth is, the only way to escape the low-paying job trap is to build a foundation that will support your financial goals in the long run. So don't be afraid to aim higher and reach for opportunities that will lead to real, sustainable wealth. 3. Craft a clear plan. Picture this. You're sailing in a boat without a map or compass, just drifting aimlessly on the open sea. Sounds pretty stressful, right? Well, that's what it's like trying to navigate your finances without a clear plan. Whether you're dreaming of owning real estate, diving into the stock market, or starting your own business, you need a roadmap to guide you. It doesn't have to be a complex blueprint filled with jargon. It just needs to outline your goals and how you're going to achieve them. Start by assessing your current financial situation and determining where you want to be in the future. Set realistic, achievable goals that align with your values and aspirations. Then break down those big goals into smaller, actionable steps that you can take right now. Maybe it's setting aside a portion of your income for investments or researching potential business opportunities. Whatever it is, having a clear plan in place will give you the direction and motivation you need to stay focused on your path to financial independence. 4. Invest in your education. Let's talk about education. Not the kind you get in a classroom, but the kind that opens doors to new opportunities and possibilities. If you're stuck in a job where your income barely covers the bills, it's time to invest in yourself. And no, I'm not talking about taking out student loans and going back to school for a degree you may never use. I'm talking about self-education, the kind that empowers you to take control of your financial future. Start by identifying areas where you want to grow and develop new skills. Maybe it's learning how to invest in the stock market, mastering digital marketing techniques, or honing your leadership abilities. Whatever it is, there are countless resources available to help you learn and grow. from books and online courses to workshops and mentorship programs. So instead of wasting your time and energy on mindless distractions, invest in activities that will enrich your mind and expand your opportunities. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn, both in terms of income and personal fulfillment. 5. Embrace the boring routine. Alright, let's talk routines. I know, they're not exactly the most exciting topic, but hear me out. Consistency is the secret sauce to success, my friend. While the glamorous lives you see splashed across social media might make you feel like you're missing out, the truth is that real success is built on the foundation of a disciplined routine. Think about it like going to the gym. You don't see results after one workout, right? It's the consistent effort over time that leads to meaningful progress. So instead of chasing after the next shiny object or constantly seeking out new adventures, embrace the power of routine. Set a schedule and stick to it, day in and day out. Whether it's waking up at the same time every morning, working on your side hustle for a set of number of hours each day, or sticking to a budget, consistency is key. Sure, it might not be as glamorous as jet-setting around the world, but trust me, the payoff is worth it. Remember, success is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about putting in the work, day after day, week after week, year after year. So don't be discouraged if progress feels slow at first. Keep showing up, keep putting in the effort, and before you know it, you'll look back and marvel at how far you've come. Because when it comes down to it, it's not the flashy moments that define your success. It's the small, everyday actions that compound over time to create lasting change. In life, we don't choose how we start, but we have control over how we finish. Being born into poverty may not be your fault, but staying there is a choice. With the right mindset, a clear plan, and a disciplined action, anyone can break free from the shackles of poverty. Thank you for tuning in to another insightful episode of Wealth Way. We trust that the strategies and insights discussed here will help you on your financial path. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more wealth-building content. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, drop them in the comments section below. Until our next rendezvous, continue your journey towards financial success. And always remember, your wealth is within reach.